How to share a playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Spotify application on your device. Log in with your account details. Then go to your library option at the bottom right corner. You can select any one of the playlists of your own or create a new one. Once you choose your playlist, simply click on it. Click on the three dots. After that you will see a menu. From that menu scroll down and click on share option. Then you will see the option of copy link. Simply click on it and now you can simply share this link to your friend. So that's it. That is how easily you can share your playlist on Spotify. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.